If there's anything I can do to cut down on the number of emails that come in my inbox, I'm gonna do it. My name's Jess, and if you're new here, I'd love for you to subscribe so you don't miss any of my weekly videos helping you save time and look good online, which is why today we're talking about whether or not you should put your prices on your website. So people who are opposed to putting prices on their website usually say, don't put your prices because people just price shop, which they do, and then you don't get the chance to really communicate the value that your service can have on their business. And people who think you should put your prices on your website, like me, think it can be a real time saver because you are saving your potential clients time because they know, hey, she's not in my budget, I'll have to find someone else. And you save yourself time because you're not getting a bunch of inquiries from people who want a huge service for $50. So yes, I do think you should put your prices on your website because it's going to save everybody some time. And if you struggle with putting your prices online, you could always put prices start at XYZ. Then if things fluctuate, maybe you have a lot of factors that go into your pricing, you have some wiggle room once people start emailing you. Either way, prices or not, it's really important to communicate the value of what you do. How is it going to impact their business? Because if you just list out the features and not also the benefits, then when people are price shopping, they're going to be like, look, both these people do XYZ, but this one costs $50 more. Think about when you're trying to buy a bookshelf at IKEA. You see a fully built bookshelf. You don't see a cardboard box that says, hey, there's 12 pieces of wood in here, 12 nails, and some instructions. When it comes to a bookshelf, people don't care how many pieces are inside the box. They care what the bookshelf actually looks like. So I want to know, do you put prices on your website or not? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.